Hello, this is Shep here at Sun Valley Auto Club. In front of us is a 1993 classic Chevy truck. It's a Chevy Silverado 2500 4x4 extended cab long bed. This one has under 82,000 miles. It's got 81,753 miles on it. Two owners, started out life in Arizona, and then it went to St. Helens, Oregon, where the second owners had it from 1996 until just recently. So really clean truck, rust-free. I've got really good under photos, and I've personally been up underneath it. That's who took those photos. Really clean, so check those out. Certainly no corrosion or rust issues with this truck whatsoever. It's more of a green. It's a silver and green. And my camera, maybe I should shoot this with my iPhone, but it's kind of coming out a little teal. It's more green. Take a look at the photos there, but it's silver and green. A lot of original paint. I'm not going to do the paint meter readings. I will say both sides are all factory. The hood shows repaint levels and a little bit of repair back here. And I think it's been quite some time ago, because you do have a little bit of peel there on the clear coat. So nothing recent, but that corner shows Bondo repair. And then it just gets right down to the low levels as you get up front. So original panel with the repair done on it. This just had an extensive service done on it, finished up in just close to December 21, late November 21, over $3,000, $3,224 in service. I've got all that broken down on the listing, but basically what we say is all the boxes. So front, all the fluids, of course, oil change, both differentials, received new gear oil. Transfer case was completely replaced, resealed. Radiator record, sent out record, all new fluid. Brake line flush. We did have their drums in the back, so those had seals done on those. I'm trying to remember if there's anything else. Front brake line was also replaced. So you got a spray and bed liner in here. And I do see underneath this mat, I do see what looks like maybe a fifth wheel. So there's a bed mat just to keep things from sliding around. Sorry, it's a little dark here. You give this a flip. I do see a fifth wheel plate there. So at some point it was a couple holes right there. So you do know that it had a fifth wheel plate installed. So this is the big engine, so that's not a problem whatsoever. This is the 7.4, or you translate that in cubic inches to the 450, but it is the largest optional engine that came from the factory that year. Andy, how many old trucks do you still have? How many old trucks do you still have? But you're a Ford guy, huh? Yeah. Let me just finish this and I'll be right back. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm just going to do a quick test drive because I'm shooting a video.
I'm scheduling an appointment with these guys. I'll be right back.
Okay, sounds great. All right, great to see you. So we'll start this up and give it a listen, do the test drive. It is the extended cab. It's before they did the 3 doors or the 4 doors. Love to see those clean TIG welds, as you can see. And you do have a sliding rear window, spray and bed liner, This really has done its job because the dash is clean and crack free. Just has that dash mat on there. It's got some of your older, I'll just go ahead and say it, old man accoutrements. You got the wind guard. I see you have your windows down. This does have AC. You've got the oversized rear view mirror and the dash mat. But really clean on the interior here as well. The carpet's in great shape. Got the protective tape on there. But with these miles, I mean, it's just factory miles. Interior shift on the fly 4x4. I drove this down to Bellevue today, which is just a 6-mile round trip, but feels really good going down the road. I'll try and show off a bit of that. All your lights and blinkers, wipers work. You do have power windows. So those are going up and down as they should. It's really just a time machine sort of truck. We do have that last service work and the service receipt, the invoice, so that comes with the truck as well. Suspension feels good, kind of rolling through some of those dips. It is a 4-speed automatic transmission. As I look at the odometer, 81,773. So we got an early spring day. Still lots of snow around, as you saw from the photos. And it's only the very beginning of March, so we could actually, we're losing a lot of snow, but we could add to it all the way through May. Brakes, of course, with the new fluid, all the seals replaced, new lines. They're working just as they should. Brakes feel good. No pulling or grabbing. 81,000 miles is just next to nothing on a 93. With that transmission service, everything feels good. And like I said, the 4-wheel drive system works with a new transfer case. So just a quick drive, but other than looking good, both on the top side, the interior and the underside, it drives out wonderfully as well. So this is Shep here at the Sun Valley Auto Club. We ship all over the world, certainly nationwide. We're a fun place to come if you want to come in and pick up the truck. But we can help you ship it anywhere you want as well. So this is Shep at the Sun Valley Auto Club, 208-721-1973. Give me a shout with your interest or any questions. Thanks for watching.